Hey guys, today we are going to review our two-digit addition. So the first thing that we want to do is we want to look at our first add-in. And what we're going to do is we're going to go up here and we're going to write it as tens and ones. So I've got 10, 20, 30, and then I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that's my first add-in. And then I'm going to write my second add-in, which is 26. So I'm going to write 2 tens and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ones. All right, so then the next thing I do is to look to see if I have enough ones to regroup as a 10, and I do. So that's what Mrs. Taylor's done right here. I've drawn a box around 10. Then what I do to help me know that I've made a 10 is I mark it out, and then I move those 10 ones over here to the tens place and put a tens stick to show that I've made that change. Those ones are gone now, and I've got a 10 over in the tens column. So now what I do is I count the leftover ones. I've got 1, 2, 3 ones left over. So I come down here and write that in my ones column. And then since I moved that 10, those ones over to the 10 column, I write that 1 in the tens box. So now I have 1 plus 3 plus 2 equals 6. So I have a sum of 63. When I go back up here to my base 10 drawing, I count my tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 1, 2, 3. So I know I got the correct answer. Let's try one together now. We're going to do 46 plus 24. All right, I'm going to come up here and I'm going to draw my base 10 for it. 1, 2, 3, 4 tens. And then I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ones. I'm going to do 2 tens for my 24, and here's my 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do I have enough to make a 10? Let's see. I've got 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, I've got just enough. So I'm going to make a group of 10. I'm going to mark it out. I'm going to move it over here, place my ones, and then I'm going to put my 1 up here in the box. 1. Now, I have got 0 ones left over, so I'm going to write that number in my ones column. Now I'm going to add my tens column. I've got 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. So I'm going to go back up here and count my tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. I've got no ones, so my answer is 70. Is that what you got? Check and see.